Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video again we will be discussing some more questions again for AEM, Adobe Experience Manager, that are commonly asked in the interviews. And the questions are tricky because again more or less it is basically the differences, some new modules, how they are managed. So all these questions are being asked, and normally the questions that is frequently asked in the AM interview is difference between design dialogue and edit dialogue. So again, if you talk about these two things, both are similar in nature. Both are used to control your UI interface. Whatever information, whatever component you want to control, you want to manage, those all are managed using the dialogue. Now we have this design dialogue, and where we have a dialogue of a component. So basically, design dialogue of a component can be, it is at template level. So whatever changes you are doing, it is at template level. So if your design dialog is at template level, so all the pages of the template will share same design dialog because it is all over, so based upon the template. If you talk about normal dialog of a component is at page level, so each component instance will have its own dialog information. So similarity is also there, and if we talk about the differences, so this is the major difference. Then we have another topic that is called client libs. So client lib means client side libraries. So whatever libraries we are talking about, JavaScript, we are talking about CSS. So all the libraries that we are going to use, we put this in client lib folder. So the purpose of client lib folder is, first of all, in terms of performance, in terms of optimization, it minifies the file and it makes sure that there is no duplicate JavaScript or CSS file that is loaded while the page is loading. So clearly whatever JavaScript, so if we have 4 JavaScript, we declare those in a text file that these are the 4 JavaScript file that we are using, and using with the help of client library we are going to manage all the client side library files. Then again, what is the difference between package and bundle? This is a very common question because both the name looks similar. So again, bundle is again at the coding level, where it contains classes, where it contains Java files, it contains some modules, it contains the code how to interact with other bundle. So it is at code level, and we install the bundle. These are again independent modules which can be used for some similar type of functions. If we talk about package, package is basically a zip file, and this zip file can contain multiple things, and mostly if we want to move some modules, if you want to move some content, we are using this package. Then very important thing is OSGI bundle. So normally it is asked what is the life cycle of OSGI bundle. So you need to prepare for this also. So there are different stages. As you know, that bundle we just discussed, like bundle is again a jar file. We install this. So OSGI bundle, first state will be, first of all we have to install it, then resolve all Java classes that the bundles needs are available. So there will be some Java classes that are within the bundle, there will be some dependencies. So this state indicates that bundle is either ready to be started or stopped. So after installation, the resolve stage is there, then starting, because again the main purpose of installing the bundle is that we should start it and then it should start doing the functions, the code that is written, it should start executing those code. Then active, the bundle has been successfully active. So after starting, the bundle is successfully activated. And finally, if we want to stop the bundle, if we don't want that particular bundle to work, so we can stop it and finally deactivate. So if we want to uninstall it, we can uninstall it. So it's the journey start from installation. Once we are installing it, it is installed, then we will check that all the dependencies, all the Java classes are ready, and whatever bundle is the Java classes that bundle requires, those are all ready. After that, starting, then we make it active, stop, and if we want to uninstall, we can uninstall this. Then the other question that is normally asked is parses and iparses. So it's a paragraph component, and paragraph component means we can put other component also. This is called parses. So paragraph system in which you can add other components at page level. Iparses, it is inherited paragraph system and which inherits the parent page. So this is the difference between parses and iparses. Similarly, like there is another important question and that is related to replication. So you should know the process of AEM and what is the role of replication. What is the step-by-step process through which replication is done. So replication means replicate whatever content is there in the author environment. So the author requests that certain content to be published, because once everything is done in a preview mode, then author requests, maybe there will be some workflow. If there is no workflow, there is a approval process. After approval process, this content needs to be pushed to different publishers. So initiation will be started from author. Then this request will be sent to default replication agent. So again, this is a workflow. The replication will be done by the replication agent, and environment can have several default replication agent based upon the number of publishers that you have. There may be multiple replication agent also which will be replicating the content to different publishers. The replication agent packages the content. Now there will be multiple content, so it will packaging the content and places in the queue. Again, there are 3-4 different default replication agent, so it is not, so the replication agent that it is getting, so it will not be directly pushing, because there are multiple replication agent who are using the same queue. So it will be put in a queue, and then content will be lifted from the queue and transported to the publishing environment using configured protocol using HTTP. A servlet in the published environment receives the request and publishes the received content. So started from author, default replication agent, packaging. After packaging, it is put into the queue. From queue, it is picked up, and then it is using the servlet code, it is pushed to the publishers. So this is the full process of a replication agent. Then we already discussed parses and iparses. So basically this will be the basics of AEM, how AEM works, what are the stages of a bundle, what is OSGI, what is Sling model. So we discussed in our previous video also. So if you have not watched that video, please watch that video, and we will be creating some more videos on AEM, right from basics to advanced, so that again you are familiar with how AEM works, what are the different components, what are the security measures. We will be talking about that also. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching this video.